I'm Trzcinski with Nestlé Professional Solutions. I'm a national account manager. I've been working on the Foodbuy business for 5 years, ever since I started with Nestlé. This is my third Future Forward meeting. It's been fantastic. I think the partnership is great. I think hearing from the other suppliers and other manufacturers around what they're doing, like even just listening to some of the stuff we talked about just now, fantastic insights, and I'm asking questions to my team, like, hey, are we doing this? How could we do this better? So it's a really fun, collaborative environment coming to these sessions. Oh, this is a great question because we really look deep into everything we've got. We've got data from the consumer side, so we know where the consumer's at in the retail environment. We take that data and integrate it to what we're doing on the food service side. So where can we see what the consumer flavors are going on? Where are they going in terms of their usage? What day parts are they spending? What coffee products do they need? What juice products do they want? Integrating it into what we offer in the food service space. So I think that's been a really cool thing that Nestlé's done over the last few years as our data capabilities have been expanded rapidly by AI tools. Yeah, so we have our own proprietary Nest GPT model that allows us to take our own proprietary data, put it inside of a fence so we can keep it safe and also improve our ability to integrate customer-specific data or queries that our team can actually look into and develop new ideas, improve our speed and efficiency of looking at different things coming back on the other side. So this idea came forward, is it worth exploring, is it not? How can we rapidly evolve that idea from an idea to something that's actually in reality a product we can make or a recipe we can implement with a different customer. Yeah, I think it really reveals a lot about trends, and so we can identify gaps from within the data. So are certain customers using a lot more of this? How can we find different ways to use those same products? So is this product working in the hospitality space that we might want to be looking into the healthcare space? There might be a crisis like the egg issues that are happening right now. How can we take a product that works for healthcare, helps improve egg performance and limit waste, and use it maybe in the hospitality space that's hurting more because of the crisis? So it really looks at those different trends of where the challenges are, and it finds a product solution that we can implement with that customer. I think there's a few different ways it could do that. So number one, we can identify solutions that can cut out redundancy. So there might be a product that you're buying and then a duplicative product. We say, look, this one product can do more things, so you can do more with less. It also makes you more efficient as an organization, less products in the pantry, less to work through. We can also find different ways to say, well, hey, this is also another way to extend that product. So this is something you're doing today. Maybe you're making this by scratch, and this is something that can actually cut a step out. So you can find labor efficiencies as well as duplicative ways to use a product. That's the really fun part about it. I didn't know a lot of this going into this Future Forward session, but looking at what tools we've got, I work on the sales side, I work with the customer, I try to learn the voice of what their needs are. Now I know how to use these tools a little bit better, so how can we take it, use it faster? How can we expand it even better? If we want to bring a new product to market, what's the way we can do it so that we can get better recipe development, we can get better menu LTO optimization, and we can tie what that product is to where the consumer's at today. We used to do this kind of working in human form, but it's an art and a science. We're able to take that human interaction of talking to a chef, knowing what they want locally, and applying it to all the data we know from the US consumer and where they're at. Said, look, this is a great menu opportunity. We should hit on this right now while it's hot and while consumers are looking for it.